Howdy Summit Gang, welcome back to another episode. We are back from SEMA and we are in the lifted truck today.
Yeah, the gang's all here. Woo, sail! Today's gonna be a darn tootin' good day because we are spending some good quality time with the truck.
Yes, we just successfully got the truck lifted right before SEMA. That way I could actually tow the Cayman to SEMA. And now that it is a lifted truck, we have more things we got to do to it.
Hold up, before we get to that, Clay, and let's talk SEMA for a second. So we had your very first car at SEMA, and we loved having it at SEMA so much. KPMF was awesome that it is our goal to now have 2 cars in the show next year.
Yes, SEMA was so much dang work. It took so much time and energy to get the car there, but we are going to 100% do it again.
100% worth it, and seeing you guys was awesome, totally worth it. It seems like the majority of you really enjoyed the Cayman, which was a relief.
Yes, the yellow on the Cayman is so sick. Yeah. I am not a yellow car guy, but KPMF killed it, awesome. Knocked it out of the park with this yellow. So if you guys ever had any desire to wrap your car yellow, that is the best yellow on the market. The best
yellow you could pick. If you guys want to check out to see what SEMA's all about, we just posted a video about taking the Cayman to SEMA, so go check that out if you're interested.
Yeah, it was mainly about me getting the car there. Once you're at SEMA, if you've been to SEMA, you know what I'm talking about. There's so much to see, so much to do, so many people to meet and talk to that you blink once and it's done.
And it's done, but it was well worth it, and I'm really glad we filmed a little bit of it so we can kind of go back and rewatch that video later.
Definitely.
But enough SEMA talk. Truck talk.
Truck talk.
Yeah, it's not TikTok, it's truck talk.
Truck talk, TikTok.
So today we have a very important mission to complete that kind of goes along with truck ownership. And by truck ownership, I mean lifted truck ownership.
Lifted truck ownership is a very unique and amazing thing, especially if you do a 6-inch lift and 37-inch tires. And there's one crucial thing that we are missing that will just complete it.
Oh, big jump. Oh, my knees. Okay, so first things first, we actually need to hop in the truck and go somewhere. Right?
Extra first things first. Huge shout out to Fittipaldi Offroad for these wheels. I have gotten so many comments on these wheels in Vegas and at every gas station. Everyone's like, those wheels are nuts.
All right, now do we hop in the truck?
Yes. Okay. How about I help you hop in the truck?
Yes, I was gonna say you climb in, I hop in. I gotta say I've learned some pretty cool maneuvers to try and get into this truck, and I think my favorite is this. Yeah, see? Use the same technique.
I got it down. Now to see if the old 7.3 will start. So the first thing you need to do after lifting your truck is get a truck that the glow plugs work in.
The first thing you need to do before getting a truck is get a truck
that works.
Okay, got it.
The glow plugs on the old 7.3s are notoriously bad. If it gets below like 50 degrees,
she ain't gonna start.
So close.
Is it though?
Yes. This one's it. I can feel it.
You said that last time. Oh, hallelujah. Only took you 30 minutes.
Hey, I did not lose faith, because you're right here.
You almost lost me. You almost lost me, actually.
This is the fastest truck around town. Just putzing along. So the place we are headed right now is about 30 minutes away down in South Salt Lake Valley. I'm very excited to get there. This is something I've wanted to do for a long time, but it seems super fitting and appropriate now that the truck is lifted.
So we just made it here to Reams in West Jordan, Utah, and there's a huge sign out front that says, "Do not enter unless you have a lifted truck."
Yep, and they're gonna come out and measure our truck real quick, make sure that we have the liftedness necessary to go inside, and then we'll jump inside. Obviously we're joking, but we are very serious about what we're getting inside. Okay, well, the truck is lifted about 1 faith height, so I think we're good.
1 faith height?
Yeah. I don't know. Door handles are right at your head.
Okay,
one faith.
Fair enough. so I think we passed the test.
Okay. So you guys are probably really confused why we're at Reams right now and why that has to do with a lifted truck.
Yeah, what does it? What does it have to do?
Well, a lifted truck stands out from a crowd, everybody looks at it, and I want to look the part. I need to get a full get up.
Oh, he wants to be a cowboy.
And you be my little cowgirl.
Aww.
So we're gonna get a full get up, full outfit, and I think we're right at the beginning. I think you're gonna put those on.
Is this what cowgirls wear? Because I have never had a good pair of suspenders in my life, so this is actually good.
Fashion show, fashion show. Very nice. So we're not gonna be picking up a set of overalls this time, maybe next time, but first things first, we need to pick out a hat.
So we are newbies at picking out hats, and I don't really know sizing, like 6 3/4. Is that the circumference of my head?
I don't know, is it?
Well, all I know is that definitely doesn't fit. Nope. Too big. Also too big. I have a small head. Let's try this one. I have a good feeling about this one. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Yeah.
Nice.
How do I look? I feel like the hat's a little too big, but it's the only one that works. None of these fit.
I think you look fantastic.
I look good?
Yeah.
Cool.
These ones have a C on them.
Ooh. Try it on. Nope. Right off the bat, nope.
No, okay.
Nope. You're gonna want to do a black one.
Black one?
For sure.
This one?
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
That looks. Oh.
Top of the morning to you.
Oh
Man,
my.
I think we scored.
Top of the morning.
Top of the morning.
Next up is boots, and I've got my eye on a very particular boot right off the bat. Howdy, partner.
These are so big.
These are like size like literally my foot ends right there. I kind of like them though. What do you guys think? Me too.
Jeez, it's a men's size 22. Shout out to any of you viewers out there that have a size 22 shoe, because they got one right here.
I think that's definitely a look.
This is it.
That's it.
Man, I don't even feel like a cowboy unless my foot is a 22.
All right, you've got quite a selection here.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna pick one out, and then Clayton will pick one out. Let's see.
There's so many choices.
I know. I kind of like these. Those definitely do not match the hat. I just realized.
Yeah.
So
we probably need to get a blackish shoe.
I don't like the
like-
all blacks.
And I like the blunt.
Yeah. These are nice. These are kind of nice. I feel like these look pretty good. Try them on. Hold up. We need to talk about something first. You got customized Nikes?
Yeah, my Summit
Life
Air Maxes.
Dang. Those are slick.
Kicking these to the curb though.
Okay. Right off the bat, they look really good.
If only I had a maroon interior on the OBS.
That would be pretty dope.
They did have
but,
those. You found these?
I found these, and I think these are a winner, so try these on.
Ooh, nah, I'm just goofing. New boot goofing. Genuine ostrich. Boom. 3 payments.
We are officially the new owners of some cowboy hats and cowboy boots. Oh my gosh.
I reckon there'd be a hole in the fence out yonder.
Okay,
We gotta
let's
go,
go fix it.
This just feels so right.
No. Don't be getting too cocky here. Just because you got a fresh new hat and fresh new boots doesn't mean you own the place.
But it does mean I'm a cowboy.
I'm getting kind of hungry. Should we go wrestle us up some chickens?
Chicken sounds mighty fine right about now.
Raising Cane's, you know us, we love our chicken. It's gonna be a hog killing time.
Wrestle me up a Caniac combo.
Oh,
yeah.
Baby. Well, this darn tootin' good day is coming to an end, and for the 3 of you that are still watching, there's one more thing we have to do before the full transformation into a cowboy for Clayton.
Yes, I got a little trick up my sleeve or a snake in my boot.
One of those, and you're about to find out.
Man, I am really feeling myself in this new get up, this cowboy outfit. I got one last thing, the cherry on top, and I don't know if you guys are ready. I reckon I look mighty fine.
Yep, the transformation is complete.
I joined two different groups today. I joined y'all cowboys and y'all mustache guys.
Yeehaw!
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Ooh, you just lassoed Guy. Obviously today's video was kind of a joke, but not really. I stand by it. The first thing that you should do after lifting any truck, get yourself a cowboy hat, get yourself some boots, and get yourself a mighty fine mustache.
Last few videos have been project after project, so we wanted to try something a little bit more comical and spend our Sunday turning into cowboys, but we may or may not be buying a new car this week, so stay tuned for that.
Make sure you click subscribe so you do not miss the video of us possibly maybe unveiling maybe a new vehicle.
But until then, yeehaw!
Peace out, y'all.
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw.